All right, guys, you asked for it, and I'm delivering. What did you ask for? Well, a few of you guys asked to see the sub that I put in Frankie. I've done, I don't know, 3 or 4 videos now on the interior and audio upgrades I've done. Here's the sub video. Just a little backstory. I've always been into car audio. When I say I've been into car audio, I'm not the guy that's gonna go build a stereo that's going to be in, I don't know what they call it everywhere else, but here they call it Car Wars, where you go and compete for the loudest stereo, most decibels. That's not me. But I don't like to listen to my music, I like to feel it. And that's always been me, and it always will be. I have 4 vehicles that I drive. All 4 of them have a sub in. I have another friend that is also in the same boat as me, where he also likes to feel his music. He's a little more into it than I am, but he's good at building speaker boxes and such. So when I told him I wanted to put a sub in this, he said, hey, get you a sheet of MDF and bring it over and we'll build one. So that's what I did. It's, I want to say it's 12 inches tall, 17 deep by 24 wide. I guess I could get a tape measure and verify that, but you're gonna have to take my word for it at the moment. This port is a 4-inch port. It has a brace, about right here, and ends up about 1 inch past that brace is where it ends. It's glued in there, and you know, it's not, I carpeted it myself and all that good stuff, and it's not like, you know, professional stuff quality, you know, but it'll do the trick. That there is a Rockville amp. I was going for bang for the budget, and I watch a lot of car audio guys that do amp dyno tests. D-Wheel, Williston Audio Labs. If you're looking for the best bang for your budget, he's a really good guy to watch. This particular Rockville model was not tested by him, but some of the bigger ones were. I was aiming for about 400 watts. I think Rockville claimed that would do 300 if I remember right. I'll put that down below, what exactly they said. But Rockville, one neat thing that they do, these guys actually dyno their amps before they send them to you. Some feller named Lucas dynoed this for me, and she got 393 at 2 ohms, and we're sitting at 2 ohms. You may have noticed that the right side of that box did not have anything mounted to it. Well, that's because I'm going to probably put this epicenter in here. Basically, it intercepts, I'm gonna just leave that there for right now. Basically what it does is it takes the signal from your stereo, the line out, RCA, whatever you want to call it, and it processes it. So let's say you get a tone that's 80 hertz. Well, that's not really going to come through on a sub. So what it does is it actually cuts that frequency in half, and it comes out as 40. And then it sounds good with the music, whatever, you know. I have one in the 8.9. I need to replace the cable on it. Some idiot kicked it and busted the cable. Some idiot named Shane. But anyway, that's why that spot is blank on the side of Frankie's box. We're gonna cut now to some tunes, but here it is, and I hope you guys like it. I just went and reviewed the video that I took months ago, and I don't know, didn't Maybe this won't sound good either, but it didn't sound so hot. So I'm gonna do it again. Let's get in Frankie together. I've had the battery unhooked and on a trickle charger, so I'm gonna have to reset a bunch of this. I have to remember how to use this. Using the YouTube friendly music. As you can tell, the sub moves pretty good. Hopefully you can hear that coming across the camera there. Frankie's got some rattles. Kind of funny. Anyway, I hope you guys like it. Like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think. I know it's not the loudest stir in the world, but it does my heart some good. Peace. I'm looking at this for the first time with you. Well, that'll go right nice over there. These are Audio Legion 10s, the Javelin series, by the way. Let me dig this thing out, then I'll put you back on. All right, there it is. It is a 10 dual voice coil, both are 4 ohm coils. Yeah, you can see right there. Just look on it. That's tight. So, I got the second one for, basically you order one and the second one was like, we might as well. I know guys, I'm still stuck in my teenage years, but I've said it once, I'll say it before, I like to feel my music. I don't like to listen to it, I like to feel it. And this is how I do it. I was telling a friend this just a couple days ago. Even my garage has a subwoofer.